Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Students, in the previous lesson we have learned about a point, line, a line segment and a ray. In today's lesson we will learn how we can measure and how we can draw a line segment, right? For drawing a line segment we have 4 steps. Open your booklets at page number 71 so you can easily understand the topic. The first step, what you have to do, first you have to place a ruler. You have to place a ruler on a sheet of a paper, right? The second thing you have to do, you have to do with a pencil, mark the first point as A. Mark the first point at A at the beginning of the marking 0 on this ruler. Here you have marking 0 on the ruler, so you have to mark your first point here, right? And students, you have 2 types of markings, right? You have 2 types of markings on your rulers. One is in centimeters and one is in inches, right? So these are the small lines. These are the small line segments. So we will use the centimeter marking to measure and to draw the line segments, right? So first thing you have to do, you have to mark on point 0 as A, right? As we are drawing a 6 centimeter line, so we will mark the second point on 6 centimeter on the marking, right? Then what you have to do, you have to draw a line along the edge of the ruler to join the points A and B. The point A was on marking 0 and the point B was on marking 6, right? So this is our a 6 centimeter line segment, right? Now let's practice. First question of your booklet at page number 71 is measure and write down the length of each line segment. So how you can measure this? You can see here you have starting and ending points, point A and point B. What you have to do, you have to put your marking 0 on your starting point. You have to put your marking 0 on your starting point. Can you see it clearly? Yes. This is your marking 0. You have to place your 0 at your starting point, right? This is your starting point and here we have placed our mark 0. Then you have to see where your ending point comes. It is coming exactly on mark 4, right? So our this line segment is equal to 4 centimeter, right? And remember, we will always use the centimeter markings for this. We will never use this inches marking, right? Okay, hope you have understood, and now you can write down the length of these remaining 3 parts. Moving to the next page, page number 72 of your booklet. Here is your second question. Draw line segments of given lengths. Draw line segments of given lengths. Now how we will draw our line segment is PQ is equal to 4 centimeter. You will place your ruler straight on your sheet and you have to draw the line segment of 4 centimeters. So what you will do? First you will mark your starting point. First you will mark your starting point. You will mark your starting point at mark 0, right? Then you have to draw the line segment of 4 centimeter. So you will mark your second ending point Q exactly on 4 centimeter, right? Hope you can see it clearly. Starting point at 0. You will always start from 0. You will not start from 1 because it will be of 3 centimeter. Then 1, 2 and 3. When you will start from 0, it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4 centimeters, right? So mark your starting point at 0. That is P, and mark your ending point at 4, that is Q. Name them P and Q, and then join these two starting and ending points with the help of your ruler, and this is your required line segment PQ 4 centimeter. Understood? Hope you have understood, and now you can draw the line segments of 6, 8 and 7 centimeters yourself. If you face any difficulty, you can contact me. In the next lesson, we will learn about parallel lines. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.